Respected media friend, my dear community, today 14th of May 2025, we the Bru Resettlement Youth Committee would like to have a short press briefing regarding the approval of our demand, that is the creation of new VC that has been finally approved by the government of Tripura. Today is a moment of immense pride and gratitude for all of us. I stand before you with a heart full of thankfulness as we witness a significant, long-standing demand, that is the proposal for the creation of new VC, has finally been officially approved by the government of Tripura. First and foremost, I extend my gratitude to the Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council for hearing our voice and sending proposal for the creation of new VC. This initiative has given a new hope and dignity to our people. We truly grateful to you. A special word of thanks to our esteemed leaders, Bubagra Pradut Kishore, for his unwavering support, visionary leadership and guidance. You stood by us in our struggle and remind us that no voice is too small when justice is in our sight. Thank you, Bubagra, for your support and your hard work. We also thank the state government of Tripura for hearing our demands and approve for the creation of the new VC. This is not just an administrative decision. It is a recognition of our dignity, our struggle, and our rights to self-government. Khatsang mo kaw masaw, chini location khongchik thamni zuwai raw, jebo chini BC met imani ye phain thoye sak thai ne raw no, bobo hi mung kai mia chini zuwai, je BC met man ye sak thai ne raw, hui phie chini thau so mani movement national highway Asama Gartola lama chung blok thiyo, ho khui tui kam khie location boini phaiye ai chu horja, hiya khie aro me sing phaya du cost of nai Joto sing no khatsamo ko masaw abode ke chini signatory raw phono kya ke ne aro buye phain thoye ka phai siye kau class haye bo visimet man yan naw sak thai simam bo no khatsamo ko masaw abode ke tre the thauso mo khatsamo ko samchumo khe chini bruha parani go projaraw bura burchu broi chrai state singtor so rian raw ai chu taulak sia khosni ba chaye lama klauma raw ya kong bai ke hiye chaya nungya khie lama toro achu ye sadop thoye bo visimet man hian raw sak thai mon ba wa naw Joto no khakchamo ko ma sawo kya ke thangin no khakchamo ko samya ko bo no khakchamo ko ma sabo samom ha hian raw chila ne he palma singpyo abdi khe chini bo visile mai ha lekha phono bai kho ha abole lekha phono adala nungna hai ma chongo engkhan nai chunle kharo pho chung nai mini phono ma chongo are hi potre kya chini nang sok mom thai ta ok chaye tongno khe mai singkhe bo hu ba haba khechan ma agriculture land mo chung abo pho sai sing lai mo no abo khe taon jorole maya khong ye tom ba o ang Joto chung Joto chini location khongchik thamni logo proja join Joto no pal sayo bis kaung bon go e chung movement tor khnai jaga wo chung majama khe nam khnai abon bok panawo nrau bai Joto bai khie khang bai khang ke chung Joto thangye ko ma salaiye break khe nai chung samung rai le nanai arom e Joto pho bo thaya cha pha ba tu khe te mani bis kaung bo chin samung che khomano pho tangye pura ke son panawo Joto nam khulaina pal khe tanglaina ye pal ma sem so ha Joto chini Bru resettlement join go with Joto no khatsamo ko ma so khatsa ha